Hello, everybody. This is Nina Terol, one of your Icons of Change 2025 for gender equality. Alam niyo po, the world today is growing increasingly complex and volatile and confusing, and there's so much violence, hatred, and anger. And now, all the more, I see that it is so important for all of us to be more understanding, to lead with openness and compassion and humility and inclusivity, and to remember that, we're all just human beings looking to be heard, looking to belong, looking to have meaning in our lives, and looking to be loved. Lahat po tayo tao lang regardless of labels, and there's always something that we're looking for deep down that we're also looking for from our fellow human beings. So it is my hope and my prayer that more of us will exercise the kind of leadership that builds bridges and opens doors and truly connects with others instead of closing things down and being hateful and kanya-kanya lang at kami-kami lang. At the end of the day po, the world needs so much transformation. And we, the people, deserve a lot more better things. We deserve better. Our children and future generations deserve better. And it is up to us to lead the change, to be the change within ourselves. And hopefully, step by step, brick by brick, be that force of transformation for others. And so, to my fellow icons of change, congratulations. The road to change making is indeed very difficult, very challenging, at nakakapagod at nakaka-frustrate din. But I hope that despite all the challenges, we will keep on pushing for ourselves, for our family, for our country, for all of humanity. Again, the world deserves so much better. And if we can keep on doing what we do and do it with passion and energy and excitement and so much love, then the world will truly be in a better place. And to inspire and encourage even more of you, I have a special message from someone who's very close to my heart. He's been a good friend for almost 30 years now. He was also my first boss in the Senate when I used to work in government. And he is now also part of my family and one of the truly progressive leaders in this country. I would now like to share with you a special message from Senator Bam Aquino. Once again, congratulations to all my fellow awardees and see you all very soon.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Si Senator Bam Aquino po ito. Unang-una, let me congratulate Nina Tirol for being recognized as an icon of change for gender equality. Nines, this award is not just a celebration of your hard work and dedication, but a testament to the real impact of fighting for a more just and equal society. Mga kasama, we know that pushing for change is never easy. There will always be challenges and obstacles, but know that every step you take opens doors for others. Every stand you make inspires the next generation. So we all must keep going. And remember that when the road gets tough, we should remember why we started to begin with. You're not alone, and I stand with you in building a more inclusive and just world. Kaya muli po, congratulations to all of the icons of change. Maraming salamat. Si Senator Bam po ito.